Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalam ala khatamun nabiyyin. Prophetic remedies for conjunctivitis. Pink eye including sneezing, al-otas, al-anfisa. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, when one of you suffer from conjunctivitis, let him treat it with sneezing. Sunnah Ibn Majah 3469. Gently sniff black pepper or a sneeze-inducing substance like ground mustard to provoke sneezing. This helps expel infectious discharge from the tear duct connected to the nose. Antimony, call Etimid Surma. The Prophet ﷺ said, the best of kohl is etimid, antimony, for it clear the vision and make the eyelash grow. Sunan Abu Dawud, Tirmidhi. Method: apply etimid kohl around the waterline before sleeping. It has natural antimicrobial properties, and don't share the applicator. Rinsing the mouth and nose, madmada and istinshaq. The Prophet ﷺ would command rinsing the mouth and sniffing water into the nostrils for eye inflammation. Musnad Ahmad. The eye, nose and throat are connected via the nasolacrimal duct. Rinsing removes pathogens from the upper respiratory tract. Ruqya, healing recitation with salat. Place your hand over the affected eye and recite.
Allahumma rabban nasi muzhibal bas. اشفي أنت الشافي لا شافي إلا أنت شفاء لا يغادر سقما.
In the name of Allah, remove the harm. O Lord of mankind, grant healing, for you are the healer. There is no healing except your healing, a healing that leaves no disease behind. Recite Salat Durood Sharif on the Prophet ﷺ before and after. Black seed kalonji. The Prophet ﷺ said, in black seed there is healing for every disease except death. Al-Bukhari 5687. Grind black seed, mix with olive oil and apply around the eye, not inside. This reduces inflammation. Narrated by Sa'd ibn Zayd and Amr ibn Nawfal, I heard Allah's Apostle ﷺ as saying, truffles are a kind of manna and the juice is a medicine for the eyes. Muslim 5342. Isolation and hygiene. Key prophetic advice. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said that this conjunctivitis is a punishment from Allah, so when one of you has conjunctivitis, do not touch him until he recovers. Muslim 2217. Avoid touching the infected eye, use separate towels, and maintain distance. This was the prophetic infection control 1400 years before modern medicine. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِي إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ.